Welcome to today's Creative Mom. Today we're going to make a really cute, quick and simple little baby chick just in time for spring. I'm going to show you how you could use a Ziploc bag to make a little decorating tip, and then we're just going to use some candy. We're using some Starburst and some little black nonpareils to decorate the little chick. So let me show you the ingredients and we're going to get started. Alright, so the ingredients you're going to need some yellow buttercream. I'm using an electric yellow food color gel, and my buttercream recipe is at todayscreativemom.com. I'm also using a little bit of green frosting that I had left over for another project, but you don't have to have that, but I'm just going to make a little bit of grass using a fork. These are those little nonpareil black little balls. They're great. This bag was only $1 at Michael's craft store. And I'm using some Starburst little minis to create the little chick's feet, the beak, and the little top of his hair. And then using a Ziploc bag, I'm going to show you how to make a cute little bag, decorating bag, so you don't need a tip. And we're gonna get started. So while Kinley is actually mixing the frosting, I'm gonna show you how to make this tip really quick. I have an index card in here just to show you that you need to make like a rainbow instead of cutting straight across. So using some tape, with my freezer Ziploc bag, I'm just going to tape on one side, turn it over, and tape on the other side. This reinforces it. The tape is really important because you don't want it to split open. And then using my little guide here, which I'll take out after I cut, I'm going to put it down here a little bit. I'm going to make kind of a rainbow. There we go. All right, I'm going to pull my card out and open up my bag. And then we're going to put the icing in. I'm going to show you how to pipe it to make it look like a little chick. We're ready. So I put a little bit of green frosting on here. So, but using a fork, what you're going to do is go like this. Just keep kind of spiking it up. And what that does is it makes grass, because our chick is going to be sitting in some grass. Isn't that cute? All right, so let me show you how. While she's doing that, let me just show you that when I took these mini Starburst, I actually flattened it out with my finger and I cut some pieces. One is I cut 2 little pieces that are going to be the chick's feet, a little triangle for the nose, and then a yellow one for the top of his hat. And then we're going to use these 2 little eyes to stick on there. Perfect.
Are you ready?
Yep. So, now that I've got my bag all ready, I'm going to make 2 levels. So one is going to be, you just basically push all the way around. So that's his body. And then now I'm going to push, but kind of bring it up as I do to make his little face. So then we're going to carefully add a little black eyeball. I'm going to stick his beak in there. Then his feet. And then the little top of his hat. See how fast and quick that was? So with all the candy and all the little black things and the frosting, you can make probably 2 dozen of these. Isn't that adorable? Yeah. Be perfect for spring. Well, thanks for joining me today, Kinley. All right, we'll see you next time.